Hello everyone, welcome to today's Big Seller feature sharing session. And before we begin, please take a moment to scan this QR code on the screen and fill in our quick feedback form. Your suggestions can help us to make each session better. And also you can to contact us through WhatsApp. This is our customer service contact number. If you have any questions, you can contact us through this number. And our sharing session will be officially begin in 2 minutes. All right, we will start right now. In today's sharing session, we are going to introduce several powerful tools that can help you handle the after-sales orders, manage the existing customers, or to optimize your inventory operation more efficiently. Just as you have seen that the first function is called the manual after-sales order. Basically, we can use this function to manually create after-sales orders across channels, whether it's for the main e-commerce marketplace like Shopee, TikTok, Lazada, Shopify, or you can use it to create offline POS orders, POS offline after-sales orders. So with this function, we can make you more flexibility and ensure every customer request is properly handled. Just so you know that in the past, we only support to process after-sales orders in our big seller for the Shopee, TikTok, and Lazada. So with this function, we can create the after-sales orders manually, check the refund or the replacement, and keep your records organized in one place. I will introduce the whole process for this function later. And next one is the customer management. Recently, we got some updates for this customer managing. And now you can manage your existing customer information for this. And for this customer management, we support for the POS, messenger order, manual orders, all of these 3 orders. So all of your customer information can be centralized within the big seller and normal scatters be receipts. And you can view the purchase history, the manager, the communication, and then better understand the customer behaviors through this one. So it can help you respond faster and strengthen customer relationships. I think this feature is especially useful for you if you want to build a long-term trust and a repeat business here. I will introduce how to use it later. And next one is the old function, but it's very useful. It's for the merchant SKU creation. Just as you know that if you want to create a merchant SKU in Big Seller, we are about 4 to 5 methods. But if I have thousands of products, thousands of store SKU, so I need to create 1,000 merchant SKU. How to make a quick creation within a few clicks? Today, I will share some secret tips for you to help you to do the quick merchant SKU creation here. And the next one, after we create the merchant SKU, we need to do the mapping, right? So if we choose to mapping it one by one, it's time wasting, and maybe we will make so many mistakes. So today I will also teach you some tips to help you do the quick mapping, to quick map all your merchant SKU with the sole SKU here. And the next one, after you create the merchant SKU, after you do the quick mapping, we need to do what? We need to enable the push function to create the push rules to ensure the store synchronization, right? Just as you can see that we got two models. The one is for the one store and one warehouse. Another one is the one store multiple warehouse. So how to achieve a multiple warehouse inventory pushed, I will show you here. So now I will to share my screen for the system. Let's see the details for the first one, the new one. The new one is the manual after sales creation. You can go to the order after sales manager here, click after sales orders here. Here you can see that we got the new tab here called the manual after sales order. Here we also got the filter the marketplace, the store, and the type here, and also the return status. All these filters is the same as you can see in this three main marketplace. So how to manually create after sales order? You can here find this one, can click after sales order. And sorry, it's a network error here. And you like to choose the marketplace and order type, order number here, and search it. Here you can see the orders. You can select to create a corresponding the after sales order. For example, I choose this one. Yes. So I click it and I choose it. And then here you choose the type, return and refund only or change the item. Maybe I will show you all these three process is very similar. So today I will take the return and the refund as example here. So I will choose the return and then refund type. And you can input the tracking number, the reason, the notes, and the receiving warehouse. The warehouse you want to receive this item. Maybe I choose the for example, I choose our text warehouse. Maybe I choose this warehouse. All right. And then after we choose the warehouse, as you can see, this is the merchant SKU contained in the orders I select, right? So here you can choose to the original one as the return item, or you can click here to delete it, or you can add the new return SKU. For example, I choose this one and confirm it. And then for this is the unit price you set in your POS retail price, like the wholesale price here. And the order quantity is an SKU amount, the type here, and then you need to input the return quantity. Maybe the one and maybe this is two. It's more recommended to import the return quantity first, and then our system will automatically to match the return amount here. But if it's not correct, you can manually adjust it. For example, I adjust it, and then this is the whole message you need to fill in. And here you click create. You click create. Oh, sorry, you need to select the order SKU you need to return, and then you need to click create. So it will successfully create. And here you can go to the return and the refund for the after sales type here. And this is the orders we just create right now, just now. and then you can go to the to firm here, to firm, and choose the after sales order you want to confirm here, the confirm after sales. You can only choose to confirm it or confirm and stock in. If you need to stock in, I recommend you to choose the confirm and stock in. All right, and wait for a moment. So if you choose the confirm and stock in, you need to go to the receive return to check the order. And if you choose the confirm, you can go to the confirm return page to check these orders. I choose the confirm and stock in, so I will go to receive return here. As you can see, this is the orders, and here you can got the notes and reprint the shipping label and see the details, right? And the next step is you need to go to create the refund orders. So you can click this one, and to also we got a mark here is for the after sales mark, and you can create the next one to create the refund orders here. For this corresponding one, you need to create a corresponding refund order. And this is the basic information, the request a refund. You can adjust it. Also the payee and the pay certificate. You need to, I will, for example, I choose this one to, that's the certificate. All right, the certificate. And here, and you create. So after you create it, you need to go to the refund processing here. This is a refund processing. Here also you can do this one. Do some text here. And then you go to after sales refunds, this one. Here you can check the refund order and the refund status and the refund applicant here. This is the one I have just created, as you can see, this one. So here, if you confirm the buyers indeed to upload the right refund certificate, you can confirm it. Also, you can do the reject. I will do here, and also the certificate here, choose the one, and confirm. So, and here, this is the whole process. We end the whole process. So basically for the manually create after sales orders, first of all, you need to go to the manually create one, and to do and filter the orders you need, and to do the confirm stocking, and then to create a refund order and then go to the refund to confirm this refund. So to end the whole process here. I think the whole process is very clear and easy, and if you want to know, just now I show you the refund and the return, and if you want to know the other types process, you can enter the keywords here. Here, I will show you our help document here. This is after sales process for the 3 different types after sales. You can check this document and follow the step by step to finish the whole process here. This is the first refund function we need to know for today. And the second one is called here, the custom managing. We have already do some updates here. First of all, go to the customer list. You can add the customer here. As you can see, normally we add the customer basic information, but now we got this one, the customer code. You can use this code to identify your customer. Why we need this customer code? Seems like maybe some customer has the same name, right? So we'll, in order to distinguish the same name, the customers with the same name, each of them will have the unique custom code here. You can manually input or auto-generate here. So here, to make each customer more special. And also for the shipping address, for one customer, we can add multiple shipping address here. And you can save it. After you save it here, and then you need to go to select the customer level. You can select one and to set the customer level for him or to set the rules here. Create a new customer when syncing the orders from this platform. Then our system will automatically create the customer here. And then you go to the customer level, you can create a customer level. What does the customer level used for? For each level, maybe they can set the different tiered price here. After you set the level here, you go to the tier price. You can set the tiered price, for example, for this merchant SKU. I want it to have the different price for the different level. For the VIP 3 and 4, we will have the different price and then confirm it here. Also, you can edit the price. As you can see, this is the price we have set before. And also we can here to edit it. So this is the customer management. This function basically is used in for the POS, messenger, and manual order. I will show you here. So now all of these three, we can add the order price and also the customer tiered price for all these three. For example, I click the POS, I choose the store and confirm it. As you can see here, we can add the customer like this one. And the customer, we have the new customer here. Also, we select the customer information we already created in our system. Also, we can add the occasional buyer. Maybe they are excellent by our products, and you want to maintain the good relationship with them. We can add the occasional buyers here, customer here. And this too is the new function and the new updates in our system. Then I will show you the function in the inventory. Just as I have mentioned that if you want to ensure the stock synchronization, you need to do the create merchant SKU, create the mapping relationship, and add inventory push rules, right? So for the first step, create merchant SKU. We have the 4 to 5 methods to create merchant SKU. The easiest one is to add it one by one, but it's a time wasting, right? Also, we can do the import to create the merchant SKU. I think it's more convenient. And also, we can go to the SKU mapping, choose the by products here. We can use we can create a merchant SKU for the unmapped products one by one here. So also, you can go to the setting. We can go to the setting and please wait for a moment. Go to the setting, inventory setting. Here, for the managing merchant SKU, we can choose to let our system automatically create a merchant SKU. If you enable it, each time you have the new orders came in our system, and if the store SKU in your orders haven't had a mapping relationship, our system will automatically create a new merchant SKU for this store SKU. But if the product SKU if the merchant SKU cannot be automatically created, you can create it manually here. And so, just as I have mentioned, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 methods to create merchant SKU. The question is, if I want to do the quick creation, what should I do? Oh, sorry. The question here is, if I want to create the merchant SKU quickly, what should I do? We all know that the merchant SKU must be corresponding to the store SKU, right? So to make sure like the merchant SKU can be mapped with the store SKU more efficiently, it's more recommended to create the same name. I recommend you to, when you create the merchant SKU, you use the same SKU name for store SKU and the merchant SKU. So the first step, you can go to the product module and export the store SKU. Here, you can go to the product here page and go to the active. If I want to create the merchant SKU for all my Shopee products, here you can choose all your live products and to export it. So now we got the all the information on the parent SKU or the SKU for each product. And the next one, so since we recommended to create the same name here, after we export the store SKU, and the next one, you need to go to what? The inventory merchant SKU page. You need to use the here, import to create merchant SKU, download this template, and the field in the SKU name, use the information, use the store SKU, you just export here. So then our system will quickly to create thousands of the merchant SKU here. And the next step is step 3 is do the mapping relationship. You can go to after you create this one, you can go to the SKU mapping here by products. And here you filter all the unmapped store SKU and use this one, auto mapping. Click here to set auto mapping. Here the rules say that once you enable this auto mapping, the mapping relationship will create in the follow orders. The highest priority here is the merchant SKU name, same as the store SKU. We will automatically create the mapping relationship. So with these 2 steps, your merchant SKU has the same name of the store SKU. Then you just need to click the auto mapping. So all this SKU with the same name will automatically mapping. But so some people will say that maybe my store SKU, although they have the same one, don't have the same name, right? For example, if I sell a t-shirt, in the TikTok, my t-shirt, the store SKU may be called as the TikTok and the t-shirt, right? But in the Shopee, I name it as the Shopee t-shirt. So although these 2 store SKU is the same thing, but they don't have the same name, what should I do? We also can use this mapping relationship. We need to enable this one, the customized mapping. Sorry. And here, if the SKU process according to these rules, match the SKU name, this mapping relationship will be automatically created. We can choose to ignore the prefix, suffix, or character, replace character here. If you set like the example here, we can choose to do what? Ignore the first characters, right? For example, for the TK t-shirt, after these rules, here, our system will automatically map the store SKU t-shirt with the merchant SKU t-shirt. So, and also for the Shopee, like this one, it's also the t-shirt. That with these rules, although these two store SKU don't have the same name, they can be mapped with the
Bosan.
SKU t-shirt.
Mungkin ada direct ke topik. Aku
That's I thought this what these mapping rules can help us. You can use these rules. Also, please pay attention. If the store SKU matches with other store SKU, you will use the merchant SKU matching these two here. So after you confirm it, you can just click auto mapping. But before we click the auto mapping, please ensure that you have synced the latest information here. You have synced the product, synced the latest information from our data center here. And after we do the after we do the mapping, the next one we need to add the push rules here. And we can click add push rule. Here, we got the two types, two modes. I will show you the one store and one warehouse first. Later, I will show you one store and multiple warehouse. So let's see the first one. We need to enter the rule name and select the store, select the merchant SKU, and also we need to select the supply, the warehouse, the push quantity here. If you have just assume that you have total available stock is 10, but you only want our system to push 8, so you can adjust the percentage here. For here, we recommend you to use the about to be sold out, convert to sold out here. Since it can better avoid overselling, when the available stock is lower than 1 or 2, we'll push to 0. It's more recommended to use here. So this is for the one store, one warehouse, but we can also create push rules, and the push rules for the one store and the multiple warehouse here. Also, the name choose the merchant SKU here. We can set the strategy for the single warehouse first, and then to set the strategy for the multiple warehouse store. We can add one multiple warehouse. For example, I add this one, and choose the platform warehouse, which warehouse, and the supply warehouse. The supply warehouse is you added in our system. Maybe for this platform warehouse, we have like all 1, 2, 3. All these 3 supply the items for this platform warehouse. So we'll select 3, and here the push quantity. And then about to convert to sold out, we got the rules here. So when the supply warehouse, for example, this one is 3, the total available stock is less than what? Less than 2 or 3 will change to 0. Here, the available stock should be total available stock for all these 3 here. Also, we can add several rules here for this multiple warehouse store. And we can like add the multiple store here for the other store here and save it. So basically, the difference from the multiple warehouse from the single warehouse, we need to set the strategy for single warehouse store first, and then we need to set the strategy for the multiple warehouse store later here, and then save it. So when you create a new push rules, after you save it, please remember to enable this data and also to add here to click push now. What? Why? Since the push rules will work when your stock change. And after your creation, maybe you won't have the stock change in real time. So you can click push now to check whether this newly created push rules can work or not. And this is for the push rule. So basically, we have learned about all the functions for today. The first one, new function, the manually create after sales order. You can check the help document to follow the step and to operate it step by step. And this is the customer managing, and then do the quick mapping and the quick to push the rules for single and multiple warehouse. So that's all the sharing all the things I want to sharing today. And now is the Q&A. Do you have any questions here for today's sharing, or if you have the other questions for when you use our system to process your order to manage your warehouse, do you have any questions? If you have any questions, you can leave the messaging in the chat room. I will answer these questions right now. And also we got the YouTube channel, and every week we will publish 2 new videos to help you understand and better use the big seller. So you can check the different and very interesting, useful tutorial videos in our YouTube channel to help you better use our system. Do you have any questions here? I think if you don't have any questions, our sharing today is about to end. After the meeting, if you have any questions, you can contact us through this number. Thank you for your participation today. I'm looking forward to see you next week. Thank you. Have a nice day. We are about to end right now. How about after sales order? You mean what kind of questions? What do you mean, how about? Yes, at first I've already shared about the manually create after sales order. This is the first function I shared with you. Okay, I will like to put this reply orders, and also we got a tutorial video for how to manually create after sales order in our YouTube channel. You can have a chat. Today's sharing replay the video also will upload in our YouTube channel. All right. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Bye bye.